guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Kelsey. I put new videos out every week, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm going to show you guys my glam makeup look for Valentine's Day that I put together today. Obviously this doesn't have to just be for Valentine's Day, but I figured given the time of the year that it would be perfect. So if you guys would like to see how I did this look, then please keep watching. We're going to start out with using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place foundation. My face looks a little crazy because I just self-tanned it, so we're just kind of covering up that self-tan and it'll reveal itself later, and then we're going to wipe off our lips. We're going to go in with the Shape Tape Concealer in Light. I put a little bit too much on here. I went a little heavy, so with the beauty sponge it does take off quite a bit, but as you see there's still going to be a lot, but we'll make it work. And then you know the drill, we're going to do our brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Taupe. I'm going to skip through most of this because you guys have seen this before, and we'll move along. And for our eyes, we're going in with the Morphe 25B palette. I'm going to start out with this kind of banana shade as a transition shade color. I really work that into the crease there to get that transition shade. Then we're going to go in with this more like mauve tone, like mauve brown tone, and put it in the outer V area. And I try to focus a little bit above, like more towards the brow bone because my eyes are a little bit hooded. And you'll see we're going in with this more burgundy type shade. And you'll see I'm kind of keeping it above the crease because of the hooding of the eyes so that you can actually see the color when my eyes are open. Then we're going to go in with the same shade and add a little bit of that more reddish shade, and it's just kind of deepening up the look, giving it more of a smoked out look. Really take your time on it and get that blended out nicely. Don't use a heavy hand either. I will list all of the brushes that I'm using down below as well. Then going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, we're going to create a kind of cut crease, putting that concealer on the eye, like the bottom lid area, and then looking up. As you see, it's creating that area where I need to put the concealer in order for it to look good. This is gonna help with those hooded eyes again. This way, the cut crease kind of stands out, and then you're not gonna have any transfer from your bottom lid to your upper lid area. So you'll see I'm kind of going in slightly and placing that concealer all throughout, and then we're going to use a powder to set it before moving on to more shadow. Alright, so we're going back in with that Morphe 25B palette and using this kind of shimmery shade and placing that on the eyelid. I did go in with a little bit of Fix Plus because it wasn't as pigmented as I'd liked it to be. So I don't think I showed it on here, but I did go back in and kind of brighten it up with that pigment. I skipped over the eyeliner, but I did use Maybelline Curvitude Liner in Blackest Black, and then I also am using this MAC False Lashes Extreme Mascara as a base for my false lashes. We're gonna move on to the face right now before we do the lashes. I'm using the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder for under the eyes. I am kind of all over the place with this, but I wanted to get that foundation on there so I didn't look crazy with my self-tanner on, so now we're back to the face. We're using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in Medium Light, and we're just bronzing up the face. I do mix all three of those shades. Then we're going to bake a little bit with the RCMA No Color Powder. I'm going to place that along my cheekbones there. And I used one of my brushes to kind of give it a guide to where to place that. It should be going from like your ear to the corner of your mouth. Then we're going to go in with Party from Tarte. It is the Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush. And then moving on to highlighter, this is the Becca Champagne Pop Highlighter. It's my absolute favorite. And now we're back to lashes. So we're going to use the Ardell Demi Wispies, and I'm going to skip over this because you guys have seen me put lashes on before, but they're all on now. Then we're going to brush off the excess of that no color powder just to reveal our contoured cheek. And we're going to work on the under eyes now. We're going to mix these two shades here Use the pencil brush and just go under the eye. I don't go all the way to the inner corner. I just kind of go a little bit past the middle, and then we're gonna blend it out with a fluffy brush. We're gonna then finish up our bottom lashes with that MAC mascara and then move on to setting spray. This is the Ofra Makeup Fixer Setting Spray. I love this stuff. It smells so good too. And then for lips, we're going in with my favorite Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the shade Kiss of Fire. Needs a couple layers to give it that red, but I absolutely love the way it turns out. Then I went in with some Big Sexy Hair Powder Play. This is like a volumizing powder. And then I did do my hair, I added some extensions, but I will jump to the end result here. And this is the final look. I did do a blog post on this outfit as well, and I will share the outfit at the end of this video, but you can check out the blog too. I will list that down below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.